Hello, hello, good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? Hello, how are you guys doing? Good morning. Hello, waiting for my friends to join. If you have joined me, just send a good morning with your name. Because sometimes you join with your parents' ID and then I don't know your name. So you can send me good morning. I am, for example, Sindhu, like last week. Good morning, I am Anaya. You send me a message like that. And I will greet you also likewise. Okay, so come on guys, send me a good morning and your name. Just send me any emojis and your name. Come on guys, i'm waiting I'm waiting for you to join so that we can start. My dear friends, come on. I'm waiting for you guys to join. Send me send me any emojis or a good morning message with your name, so that I know you have joined, so that we can start this YouTube live this morning. How are you guys doing this morning? Send me a message and uh, then send me your name also. Okay. Hello. Okay, Trijal is here. Trijal, I remember Trijal is here. Hello, Trijal. Good morning. How are you? How are you doing this morning? Did you have your breakfast? Did you have your breakfast, Trijal? Anyone else joining us? Anyone else? Send your name like this and like Trijal sent, and if you like, send me a few emojis. Okay, Adarsh is here also. So, good morning, Adarsh. Good morning. And Trijal is here. Anyone else joining us? Shall we start, or is anyone else joining us? Adarsh, Trijal, you guys tell me. Okay, Trijal is saying, let's start. Oh, I think a few more people are joining us. Can you send me your name? Anyone who is joining us, can you send me your name, with some emojis or a good morning message, anything, so that I can start and know who I am speaking to. Trijal is here, Adarsh is here, I know that, but I think a few people have also joined. But you guys have to write your name. Anyways, Adarsh, should we start? What do you think? What do you say? Should we start? Okay, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Is anyone else joining? So, welcome to Me and Math, and this is our presentation, or this is our YouTube live session, in continuation with the previous YouTube session at 10 a.m. last Sunday. Okay, so this is about geometry and geometrical shapes, and we are going to continue with that. Okay, So um, si- in, similarly to good morning, Trijal. So in a similar fashion to the last week, we'll be solving questions about geometry and geometrical shapes here. Okay, so I'll be showing you a question on the screen, and you guys will be telling me an answer in the chat. And you in the live chat, you will have to write me the answers. Okay, and we'll discuss how the your answer might or might not be correct. Okay, so should we continue? Shall we start? Adarsh, Trijal. Okay, let's start. Okay, this is a question which is similar to a question last week. So can you tell me which one is the odd one out of these four pictures you have on the screen? Can you tell me which one? Is it the Ludo board? Is it the carom board? Is it the chess board? Or is it the football? Which one is it? Which one is the odd one out of these four? Tell me, is it? You can write A, B, C, D similarly, or you can like write if this is a board or if it is a ball. Okay, write for me in the chat. So this is your board here, and this is another board. Okay, Trijal says D ball. What do you say, Adarsh, or anyone else who has joined us? What do you guys say? Trijal thinks it's the ball. The ball is the odd one out. What do you guys say? Adarsh, you tell me. Waiting for your answers. Trijal has already given an answer, which we will discuss. Adarsh, anybody else who has joined us? Come on, guys, tell me the answer. Okay, okay. So I do think really that it is D. It is D. Trijal is right. Very good. Two thumbs up for you, Trijal. It is D. It's a ball because the rest of the shapes, be it a Ludo, board or a carom board or a chess board, they are in the square shape. Okay, they're all four sides being equal. They are in a square shape, but the ball is a sphere, or in 2D, it's a circle. Okay, so since it is a circular shape or a spherical shape, so this one is different from the rest of the three. Hence, I also think it is D. So we'll check if we are correct. I'll click on D here, which is a ball, and hooray! I think it's the right answer. So again, for all of you guys, Trijal and others who got it right, thumbs up to you guys. Okay, so let's move on to the second question. Okay, so there's a picture here, my dear young friends, and the question is that dash is not present in the given figure. That a shape is not present in this figure. In this figure, which shape is not present? So you guys tell me. You know the shapes. There are circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, oval, etc. For this question, these four shapes you are given these four options. You guys tell me which shape is not present in this picture. Come on, you guys. Adarsh, Trijal, and anyone else who has joined us. Come on, guys. Come on, you guys. Tell me. One Trijal, which shape is not present in this? Out of these four: circle, triangle, square, rectangle. Come on, Adarsh. Come on, Trijal. Okay, Renu says, Trijal says C. C square, she means. So is there a square in the picture? What do you say, Adarsh? Anyone else? Trijal is saying C square is the right answer. What do you guys say? What do rest of you guys say? Come on, guys. Okay, yes. So Trijal says that the square is not there. So let us check. So see, the face is in the circular shape. So the circle is present. So there is a triangle here. The tail of our young friend in the picture is in the triangular shape. So triangle is there, circle is there. So the a rectangle is there. The foot is in the shape of a rectangle. Why? Because only it's a four-sided figure with opposite sides equal. Okay, the opposite sides are equal and at right angles, or the opposite sides are equal. That is, it is in this shape, the feet, isn't it? So this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. So in that case, it's a rectangle. So you have a rectangle, you have a triangle, you have a square, you have a circle, you don't have a square. So I agree with Trijal and the rest of you who think it's a square. The answer for this question is a square. Let us check. Let me click on square C to see if it is the right answer. Okay. Hooray, Rachel, again correct, and the rest of you, all of you who got. So thumbs up. Brilliant. You're on a roll this morning. So very good. That was the right answer. Okay. So can you guys tell me the answer to this question now? Now, the next question is coming up. The question is, oh, few more friends are joining me. You can introduce me with your name and a good morning, and you can answer the questions also. Or you can answer the question and tell me the my name is, for example, Trijal, my name is Trijal, or my name is Anaya, or my name is Adarsh, and you can write D, A, B, C, D, whatever the answer is. So select the correct statement about the given figure. So there's a tag here. There's a blue color tag in the figure here, and you guys have to tell me that which of the options is correct. That it can only slide. A option, it can only slide, it can only roll, it can roll as well as slide, and it can neither roll or slide. Tell me guys, what is the answer to this question? If you have just joined us, you can write your name and the answer. Okay, that will also be all right. Okay, Rupa Raul has joined us. I think you can Rupa, you can write your actual name there and the answer to this question. Select the correct statement about the which of the following is correct. Means which of the following four statements fits this blue color tag? Tell me, guys. Hi, Rupa Raul, or you can write your actual name and I can. Arya, yes, I remember. Yes, yes, Arya is here. So Arya is here, and you guys, Arya, Trijal, Adarsh, you guys tell me the answer to this question. Select the correct statement about the given figure. Yeah, hi Arya. Hi Arya, good morning. Hope you're doing well this morning. Good morning, my dear child. Good morning, Arya. Others also, you write your name, just your name, and the answer to this question. I need the answer to this question. That select the correct statement about the given figure. Nobody is answering me. That if it is A, B, C, or D. Oh, Renu means Trijal says it is C, it can roll as well as slide. Okay, so this is the answer as per Trichar. Anybody else? What do you guys say? What do you guys say? Is it C? Is it D? Is it B? Is it A? So Trijal says it's C. Arya, can you answer it for me? Adarsh, can you answer it for me? Adarsh, Arya, Trijal. Trijal has answered already. Arya, I'm waiting for you. Then you can answer the question. What's it? What is it? A, B, C, or D? Tell me. I'm waiting for your answer. Come on, guys. You can tell me. Area, Trijal. Yes. Yes, Trijal. I think. Yes, I think C is the answer. Yes, you can write in the live chat. Okay, so let me explain to you guys. So this shape has a curved surface because it's a tank. It has a curved surface on the sides, like here, but it also has a flat surface at the bottom. So as Trijal has written in the live chat that it can um, roll as well as slide. So the tank can roll as well as slide. I think is also the correct answer because an object slides on a um, flat surface and it rolls on a curved surface. So it has a curved surface like this and it has a flat surface at the bottom. So area, um, I think C is the answer and Trijal has got it right once again. So what do we need to remember? We need to remember about curved surfaces. So like any cylinder you have, any bottle you have, if you have a bottle with a flat bottom and a curved surface of the bottle is also there. Similarly, in this image, the tank has a curved surface and it has flat surface at the bottom. On the flat surface, it can slide, and on the curved surface, it can roll. So I think C is the correct answer. Okay. So this correct statement. Hi Manal. Hi Manal. Good morning. Hope you're doing well. So I think C is the correct answer. Manal, I hope you were listening to me. So let me check if C is the correct answer. All right, C is the correct answer. Very good. Very good. Trijal is on a roll this morning. Trijal, brilliant. You're answering every question very well. And others, you need to jump in now quickly and to beat Trijal if you can, because she's on a roll. So Arya is there, Manal is there, and others is there, and others are there. So you guys can tell me the answer. Okay, to the next questions. Okay, so easy question. Easy question, Area, Manal, Trijal, Adarsh, and everybody. The number of triangles in the given figure is. Are there five triangles? Are there six triangles? Are there four triangles? Are there three triangles? You guys tell me. Come on, quickly. Come on, you guys. I'm waiting for the answer. Come on, Trijal. I think this should be easy enough for you. And come on, Manal. And come on, Area. Easy question. Come on, you guys. It is in continuation with the type of questions we had on last Sunday regarding geometry and geometrical figures. So you guys tell me. Come on, Trijal. Come on, Arya. I need answers in the chat, live chat. Okay, Arya says D, 3. That there are three triangles. Three triangles. Rest of the guys, can you tell me? Okay, Vaishnavi is here. Vaishnavi Upadhyay says that there should be five triangles. Okay, so one person says five, another says three. Anybody else who can answer? So there is D and A, the two answers I'm getting. Trijal is taking a lot of time. I don't know why. So Vaishnavi is saying A, A. Vaishnavi is very confident because she can see. Okay, Manal also says A. Very good, very good. So the number of triangles here is, we can count. Let me try to solve it. So triangle is any figure with three corners and three sides, isn't it? Three vertices, three corners. Okay, vertices are corners only. So this is one corner of this, this is another corner, and this is the third corner. So these has three corners and three sides, like this side, and this side. So this figure which is filled with green color is a triangle. And in this figure, for your help, every triangle is filled with green color. So this is a triangle, this is a triangle, this is a triangle, this is a triangle, and this is a triangle. So these five triangles are there, I think. So I think that Vaishnavi and Manal are correct, and area maybe is incorrect. That is what I think. Let us check. Let us check if A is the correct answer. Okay, so A is the correct answer. So there were indeed five triangles in the figure, as we just. Okay, good morning, Inaya. Good morning, Inaya Aftab. So you guys keep answering the questions also. Hope you're doing very well this morning. Keep answering the questions also. Okay? Okay, Inaya Aftab. Okay, Vaishnavi, Ahriya, Trijal, Manal, Adarsh, everybody, all of you guys, keep on answering the questions. Okay, so the next question is that, give me the options in the live chat now. Okay, that dash shape is not present in the given cloud. So there is a cloud here. So there is a cloud here. See, blue colored cloud. Look, rain falls from the clouds, but in this case we have put shapes for in the clouds. Okay, okay, Naya. Okay, Area, Manal, Trijal, all of you guys. You guys tell me which shape is not present in the cloud. So there are different shapes in the cloud. Which shape is not present? Okay, Manal says square. Manal says square. Anybody else? Manal has been quick to answer. You guys, rest of you guys, tell me the answer. Vaishnavi also says D square. So Manal and Vaishnavi think it is D square. Anybody else who wants to answer? Is a triangle missing in the cloud? Is a circle missing in the cloud? Is a rectangle missing in the cloud? You guys tell me. Or is a square missing in the cloud? Vaishnavi and Manal are very confident. They say it's D square. Anybody else? Inaya, Ahriya, Trijal, why have you guys gone quiet? Why are you not being con because you were on a roll, Trijal? Come on, Trijal, you can do it. Tell me which shape is not present in the cloud. Come on, Anaya, you also answer. Okay, area is there. Area says C triangle. Okay, but this is the question is which is not present. Concentrate on this word not. Okay, Inaya also says D. So Vaishnavi, Inaya are saying D, and area is saying C, and I think Manal has not answered. Okay, so area is also saying D now. Okay, very good. So let me check in the question. So there is a triangle C, three-sided figure with three corners filled with green color in this case. So this is a triangle, this is a triangle, this is a triangle here. So triangles are there. So there is also a circle, the round and round shape, isn't it? That's a circle filled with without any corners and filled with red color in this case. And the rectangle is also there, as we just saw in the earlier question. I told you the difference between a rectangle and the square is the rectangle only has the opposite sides equal, like this side will be equal to this side or same as the opposite side. Okay, this is a rectangle. So this is also a rectangle, this is also a rectangle. What is the difference between rectangle and the square? The square has all four sides similar to each other. Okay, the square has all four sides. This side will be equal to the side, the adjacent side also, and the opposite side also, like this. So these all four sides will be equal in the square case, but that won't be in a rectangle. So this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle. Okay, it is like an extended square. You can remember it like that. So this is a circle, this is a circle, and this is a triangle. So I also think the square is missing. So let us check. Let us click on D, square. So brilliant. Okay, all of you guys who answered as D, very good, you guys. All of you whoever answered as D, you guys are correct. Vaishnavi, Manal, and Inaya, all of you guys answered it correctly. So very good. So the next question, this concentrate on the figure now. Okay, guys. So it's a bit lengthy question, but you guys can do it. I have full faith in you guys. You can do it quickly enough. So what is happening here is the question says that study the given pictures carefully and fill in the blanks. The number of triangles in the figure is P, and P is equal to, is it P? The question, it means that the question is saying from this column, in the P column, tell me the number of triangles. Is it 10, 11, or 9 here? And in the Q column, the question is the number of circles is Q more than the number of rectangles. So what you have to do is you have to count the number of circles and the number of rectangles, and you have to subtract these two, and then you'll find whatever is in the Q column. Okay. So in the P column, you just have to tell me the number of triangles, and in the Q column, you have to tell me the difference between the number of circles and the number of rectangles. Okay, you guys? Okay, you guys? Tell me which is the answer. Is it A, B, C, or D? So you guys, Arya, Anaya, Shiza, Vaishnavi, Trijal, Adarsh, all of you guys, you tell me. Manal, anybody, you guys tell me the answer to this question. So how many number of triangles? Did anybody count the number of triangles? Did any of you guys count the number of triangles? First of all, tell me what is P equal to. Then we can go to Q. That the number of circles is dash more than the number of rectangles. First of all, tell me the number of triangles. Yeah, Manal, P is equal to what? Manal, you have just written P. What is P equal to? Okay, D is the answer. I think Manal thinks D is the answer. So she thinks there are 9 triangles, and the number of circles more than the number of rectangles is also equal to 9. So she thinks that it is 9 and 9. Manal also thinks so, and Arya also, I think Arya says, yeah, P is equal to 9. Nikhat, yes, you as per you, and Arya says A. Okay, A, is it A or is it D? You guys tell me. Inaya also says D. Okay. So let me check. You guys keep giving your answer. I'll see who is correct. Some of you are saying D. Most of you are saying D, but some of you are saying A. So let me count. This is a circle. This is a circle. This is a circle. No, first we have to count the triangle. So this green colored object is this green colored. This is a triangle, so this is one triangle. There are other triangles here also. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So there are 7 triangles here also. One is here, and there is a ninth triangle here. So yes, there are 9 triangles. I think the number of triangles is 9. Since this is a triangle, these are 7 triangles, and this is another triangle. So there are 9 triangles. All right. Very good. And you think there are q more circles than rectangles. So how many circles are there? So this is a circle, this is a circle, three, four, five circles. These two, if you noticed, are circles also, and these four, yeah, Trijab, yeah, you can answer. One, two, three, four. So 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 5 is 11. So there are 11 circles in the figure, and you have to subtract the number of I think, and there is this circle also. So there are 12 circles. This is also a circle. So 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 5 is uh, uh, 11 plus 1 is 12. So there are 12 circles, and you have to subtract what? Number of rectangles. So this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, and this is a rectangle here. So there are three rectangles. So I think there are nine triangles, and the difference between the circles and the number of rectangles is also 9. Okay, Inaya? 12. I think Inaya, it's 12 minus 3. The question says the number of circles is q more than the number of rectangles. Okay, so let's check. I think I agree with Manal that the answer should be D, and the and Inaya also. Inaya and Manal I agree with. So D should be the answer because I count 9 triangles and I count 12 minus 3, the difference between the circles and rectangles. So D, I think, should be the answer. Let us check. Indeed, D is the answer. So very good. Two thumbs up for you guys. Two thumbs up for Anaya and uh, Manal. So very good. You got this answer correct. Okay. So let's move on. Keep on, guys. Keep on working. Trijal, keep on answering questions. You were doing very well at the beginning. Uh, Continue like that. Okay, so this is an easy one. Tell me which is the odd one out of the four figures. Tell me which is the odd one out about of the four. Okay, so I think area is saying A. Good. Okay, maybe A is the answer. Let us see what other guys say. Is it a pizza? Is it a chocolate bar? Is it this juice box, or is it the chips box? Okay, Trijal is back and Trijal says A. Very good. So Trijal says A is the odd one out, and these three are not similar to a pizza. Manal also says A. Very good. Anybody else? Trijal says A. Manal says A. Inaya says A. Very good. You are unanimous in your answering this time in for this question. So three people are saying A. What about you, Arya and Adarsh and Vaishnavi? You guys tell me. Vaishnavi, come on, answer. Also, uh, Arya and Adarsh, you guys tell me. Okay, so in this question, let me explain. I think what I think, and let us see if my um, my this concept is clear regarding this, or if my understanding is right. So this is the rectangular shaped chocolate bar. Okay, the boxes also has a number of rectangles, or it is a in 2D it is a rectangle, and the chips box is also a four-sided figure. Okay, this is also four-sided. This is also in the form of triangles with corners, or it has corners. This figure also has corners. This figure also has corners. This figure also has corners. But a pizza is circular, so it does not have any corners. Okay, so this I can say this is my odd one, and it is indeed correct. So Trijal, very good once again, and Manal and Inaya, all of you, uh, well done. And the thumbs up for you guys. So you have answered this question quickly and really well. And I hope you got the others who couldn't answer got the explanation Okay, moving on. The next question. So so again, a similar question like the earlier one. Tell me which of the following objects can roll but not slide. You guys, I gave you the the concept regarding rolling and sliding. So area is saying C. Okay. Other guys, you tell me the answer. Which of the following objects can roll but not slide? Only rolling. You guys tell me which object only rolls but does not slide out of these four. And if somebody can even write the explanation in the chat, I'll be really happy because I already taught you. We already discussed it in the earlier question. We're already discussing this concept. Okay, Arya says C. Inaya says C. Anyone else? So Arya C. Inaya C. Trijal C. Manal C. Oh, everybody is saying C. Very good. So we think C is the correct answer. That is a ball rolls but does not slide. And we had an earlier question in a of a similar nature. So what I had told you that if an object has a curved face as well as a flat face, then that object will slide as well as roll. This tub has a flat surface at the bottom and a curved surface on the side, so it will roll as well as slide. A tin, your juice tin or your any you know your cold beverage tin, it has a curved surface as well as a bottom. At the bottom it has a flat surface, so it will roll as well as slide. Similarly, for a gas cylinder, it has a curved surface and it has a flat surface at the bottom, so it can roll as well as slide. But if ball only has a curved surface, it will not slide, it will only roll. So this C, I think, is the correct answer, and you guys, all of you have Area and Anaya and Manal and Trijal, all of you have answered as C. You guys are getting this question correct. So C indeed is the correct answer. So very well done, and I hope you got my explanation on why it is correct. So next question, easy one. So in the cloud there are three shapes. You guys have to tell me which shape is not in the cloud. Easy question like the earlier one. Now it is without color this time. That is the only difference. Come on. Which shape is not shown in the cloud or the picture? Okay. Manal says A, Trijal says A, isn't it? So they are saying A rectangle is the answer, and Inaya also says A. Arya, Adarsh, Vaishnavi, what do you guys say? The three of Manal and Anaya and Trijal are unanimous that they say that a rectangle is not present in this cloud. So there is a square, as we can see, it is a four-sided figure with all sides equal to each other. So this side is equal to this side is equal to this side is equal to this side. So we can see that these all four sides are equal. A circle is a round shaped figure with no corners. So circle is there, and a triangle is also there. So this has it has three corners and three sides. Okay, so a triangle, circle, and square is there. What is not there? A rectangle. That is a figure like this, in which the opposite sides will be equal, the opposite sides only, but not the adjacent sides, or not all sides, only the opposite sides will be equal. So I think A rectangle is the correct answer, and the students who have, or my young friends who have answered as A rectangle is correct. So let us check. Indeed, A rectangle is correct. So very good, very nicely done. All right. So you, all of you guys who got it correct, big two thumbs up from me. Okay. Moving on. Okay, so this is a similar question, which will take a bit of time, but you guys will get it correct. So the question says that there are P circles, Q triangles, and R squares in the given figure. So there are P circles, Q triangles, and R squares in the given figure. So you tell me how many circles are there, how many triangles are there, and how many squares are there. So that this P is simply nothing, but this is the number of circles, and this Q is the number of triangles, and this R is the number of squares. So you guys tell me. First of all, you guys can tell me how many circles are there. Let me count it along with you. So if I miss any, you tell me if I miss any. So I think this is a circle at the toe of this uh, friend we have here. This friend we have on his toe. He's feels like he's a circus clown. So there is a circle on his toe here. There's another circle, so two circles. Then how many circles on his hand? One, two, three, four, five, and one, two, three, four, five on the other hand also. So there are 10 circles in the hands, and there, his belly is in the shape of a circle. So one circle there. So one plus five here, one here. So it's 11. This is 12 and 13. So there are 13 circles. Another one, the face is also in the circular shape. So this is 14. And this eye is a circle 15, this eye is a circle 16, and there is a small circle on top of his cap 17. Very good. So 17 circles are there, as Trijal is saying. So 17 circles are there, and Shiza says D option, I mean Anaya says D option is correct. Then she means there are 17 circles. So 17 circles, we can say there are 17 circles. Okay. So I think Anna has already counted the rest also. Maybe it is D. So let's keep on checking. So there are 17 circles. So we can eliminate these two options. These two options are not there. So 17. Now let us see how many triangles are there. So this is one triangle on the foot, another triangle on the foot. So two triangles. This is another triangle. The legs are in the shape of a triangle, and this is another triangle. So four triangles. So one, two, three, four, and the nose and the mouth are in triangle shape. So these two are also triangles here. So this is six triangles, and the cap is in shape of a triangle. Okay, so there are, I think, seven triangles. So this is a triangle. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So I don't think it is D. I think it should be B. What do you guys say? What do you guys say? So since there are seven triangles, so I can see seven triangles and 17 circles and R squares. So I think there should be two squares in the figure only. So yes, there is one square here, the hand square, and this is another square. These two are rectangles. We don't have to count them. We have to count just the squares. So yes, in Aya it is B, and Manal it is B. What do you rest of you guys say? What do you think? Trijal also says B. So okay, Trijal also got that it is B. So let us check, you guys. Trijal and Anaya and Manal and Ahria, all of you guys are saying it is B. That B is the answer. Let us check. B. Okay, it is correct. So we counted correctly, and B is the answer. And well done. It was a bit of a lengthy question, but you guys got it correct. So well done, guys, that you were able to solve this question. So very good, and you guys are answering really well this morning. Okay, so this question, tell me, you guys, which is the odd one out? It is a little, I think, different, as you have to apply a different logic as compared to shapes and everything. Which is the odd one out of these four? Apply your logic and tell me which is the odd one out of these four. Okay, there's a hockey stick, there's a chessboard, there's a bat, and there's a ball. Tell me which is the odd one out. I'll also answer and I'll give you the reasoning. Okay, A. Manal, I think, says A. Okay, and Trijal also says A ball. Other guys, you tell me. So Manal and Trijal says it is A. So let us check if it is A. Let us see. Oh no, it's not A. Okay, so could it be? So what could it be? Sorry, we'll go to that question. So is A the answer? We just saw A is not the answer. Okay. I think what my understanding of the question is that a ball, a football is played with outside. It is a outdoor sport shape. So a bat is also played outside. A hockey is also played outside. These three, a ball, a bat, and a hockey stick, are played outside home. Therefore, all of these are outdoor games, but this is an indoor game. The the chessboard is played inside the house. Therefore, I think C should be the odd one out. Let us check. We checked A, but A was not that. So let us check C. What do you guys say? C? Yes, I think Trijal is right. C is the right answer. Yes, very good. So C is the right answer. So C is the right answer. Very good, you guys. So I hope you understood it. So you can you answer this question? That which of the following shapes is not present in the given figure? Very easy question. Very easy question. Very easy question. Come on, you guys. Tell me the answer. Which of the following shape is not present in the given figure? Okay, NIS is B. That is square is not present. Okay. It is similar to the earlier questions. NIS is B. Anybody else? Trijal also says B. Manal also says B. Very good, you guys. So I think B should be the answer because the triangle is here. So triangle is here and a rectangle is here. Four-sided figure with opposite sides equal. Triangle is there and circles are there also. These bubbles, this fish kind of an object is there. So the bubbles, the circular bubbles are also there. So I also think that a B square is not present. So let us check. Okay, B is the correct answer indeed. So very good. So B is the correct answer. Okay, so very nice. So can you count in this question, the next question, let's go to it quickly, that there are dash more triangles than squares in a given figure. That there are dash more triangles than squares in a given figure. So you have to count the number of triangles and then the number of squares, and you have to see what is the difference between the number of triangles and the number of squares. Count the number of triangles and the number of squares and find me the difference. That will be the answer of this question. That there are dash more triangles than squares. So like this is a triangle. Let me start from the bottom. This is a triangle 2. This is a triangle 3. This is a triangle 4. This is a triangle 5. This is a triangle 6. This is a triangle 7. This is a triangle 8. This is a triangle 9. Isn't it? So there are, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 triangles. So 9 triangles are there. So how many squares there, Anaya, Trijal, and Manal? You tell me how many squares. So this is a square. This is a square. This is a square. So 3 squares are there. 1, 2, 3. And this is a square. And this is a square. 4, 5. And this is a square. So 6 squares, I think. So 9 minus 6 is 3. I think it A is the answer. You guys tell me what is the answer. I think A3 should be the answer. But you guys tell me what is the answer. Inaya, Manal, Trijal, Ahria. Yeah, Inaya, very good. A, you also think A. Okay, let us see if we are correct. All of us are thinking A. I think Trijal. Manal says B4. Okay, but I think I counted 9 triangles and 6 squares. So it has to be 3 or lesser. So Manal says B, but Trijal and okay, Trijal says B and Anaya says B, but sorry, Anaya says A, Trijal says B, and Manal says B. Okay, so A, I think Trijal has also arrived at A3 as the answer because I just showed you there were 9 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 triangles and 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 squares, and Manal. So I think also Manal has arrived at A as the answer. So let us click on A. A is indeed the correct answer. So very good. Well done, you guys. So you have got this answer as A as correct. Okay, so this question, you guys tell me. Study the figure carefully and select the correct option. That there are dash circles in the given figure. So A is the number of circles here. This is the number of circles, and B is what is less square than triangle. So this is the difference between the number of squares and triangles, B. So first of all, let's count the number of circles in this. So how will you count the circles in this figure? So there is a white internal circle and there is a grayish black external circle. So there is like the white circle which is inside or towards us, and there is a black circle, the ring, because there is a ring shaped. So we have two circles here only. So these are two circles, the internal one and the external one. Then there are two circles, internal one, external one. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here also in the ring, there's a yellow and the white one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I think there are 14 circles in this figure. Is there anyone else? Is there anyone else? Let us check. Let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Is there any circle anywhere else? No. I don't think so. I don't think so. There is any other circle. Okay. So area is saying A. Anybody else? I think there are 14 circles, if I am correct. But there is another circle. No, there is no other circle. So 14 circles are there. And how many less squares than triangles we have? Let's count the number of triangles. So this is one triangle, this is another triangle, one, two triangles. So this is the third triangle, and this is the fourth triangle. So there are four triangles, I think. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Is there any other triangle? I don't see one. So four triangles. And how many squares are there? So it's saying less squares than triangles in the given figure. So this is a square, and the green surrounding it is also a square. So there are two squares there. Is there any other square? There are two squares here. Can you guys find? So A, Manal is saying A is the answer. That there is 14 and 1 is the difference between this and the number of squares. All right. So there are two squares, and the number of triangles are how many? Four. Where is the third square? Which Trijal is saying 14 and 2. D. Okay. Manal is saying A. Area is saying A. So 14 is there, we know that, but 2 or 1, you guys tell me. So I can see two squares here. Is there any other square? These are rectangles. Inside, this is not a square. These are two. This is a rectangle. This, I think D Trijal, whatever Trijal is saying, that D should be the right answer. Let us check. And D is indeed correct. So D, Trijal, well done. You have um, while I was also solving with you guys, I think you got the explanation. So D, 14 and 2 were the correct answer. Okay, next question. Very easy. So shapes dash and dash will form a square. So there's a P shape, the Q shape, the R shape, and the S shape. Which of the following will form a square? Just put P and Q. If can we, sorry, if we put P and Q together for this question, if we put P and Q together, Q is a semicircle, so it will never form a square. So we have to eliminate Q wale option. So P and Q and R are not there. So let's check P and S. P and S, but S is very small. If I put S in here, it will be just like this. So it will not form. So Trijal, you guys tell me, do you think C, Q, and R is the right answer? If you think C, just send a C to me. Trijal, Anaya, Manal, put P and R together. Let's put P and R together. P is kind of like this. I'm sorry for my drawing. And R is kind of like this. Let me use the pen. So P is like this. And R is like this. So yes, I think it will form a square. Okay. Digital thing, yeah, area at C. So P and Q and R, I think. Sorry, uh, P and R should be the option. I think P and R. B, yes, Trijal. B is the correct answer. I think also. Anybody else? Anaya, Manal. I think P and R will form something like this in the figure, like this. It, this P, if I place it on R, it will form a square. Okay, so P and R, I think, as Trijal just is saying, should be the correct answer. So P and R B is indeed the correct answer. Very good, Trijal. You have got this one correct also. So last one, which of the following? This you have to do very quickly because we did so many of these questions. You have to tell me which of the following objects can roll but not slide. It is a similar question. Roll but not slide. Very quickly. We cannot spend too much time on this question because we know this is an easy question. We just solved it. Which can roll but not slide? Come on, Trijal. Come on, Inaya. Come on.